सर आयज थिवी कोमनिदादची जनरल बॉडी ऑर्डिनरी मिटींग आशिल्ली. नेमकी कितें आशिल्लें मिटिंगेन?
हांव लिओ परेरा, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ थिवी कोमनिदाद. विथ मी स्टँडींग म्हाजे बरें उबे आहा पळय तो सावियो अटानी आनी एलोयशियस सिक्वेरा इज माय ट्रेजरर इन दीस कोमनिदाद. सो टुडे द एजेंडा वॉज रिगार्डिंग द इलिगल structures to be legalized. So we have discussed this in a general body meeting आणि तांकां आमी सगल्यांक सोजमायले आमच्या गांवकारांक की बाबा हें आमी कितें करपाचें. तो सगल्यांनी आमच्या ओपोज केला. उरलेलें तुमकां सगळें सावयो सांगतलो.
So as our President Leo has said, today the general body convened a meeting, extraordinary general body meeting of the community of Thivi. So what we discussed was this particular act, which was passed by the government of Goa, right? It's called the act. Okay, it's an amendment basically to regularize the illegal structures on Comunidad land. I won't get into the detail. It says insertion of new article 372B.
Okay.
It didn't take much of discussion, deliberation, anything, because all the Gaonkars already were against the previous illegal encroachments like Lala Basti, which the communities of TV had demolished. So it was a very natural progression that this bill or this act, which is passed by the government, will not stand, at least not with the community of TV. So all the Gaonkars unanimously have rejected this and said, yes, we are going to not only file a suit, we are going to defend our land. And this is not going to be encouraged. Regularization on Comunidad land is absolutely a no-no. This is what our Gaonkars have said very clearly, and they will knock the court's door, not just the lower courts, the high court, it may even go up to the Supreme Court, but we are going to fight. This is what our Gaonkars have stood for in this meeting.
Yes, but the government has passed a bill. Even the CM has also announced from 1972 जी कोमनिदाद जाग्याचेर already structures आसा which is said to be illegal to be regularized. So what will be your stand for it?
मॅडम आता गव्हर्मेंटान पास केलं बिल तर गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारात ऑन वॉट बेसिस दे हॅव पास. आता सपोज तुमचो वाट आहा, Comunidad is private property, private land. Would you allow an outsider to build in your land? No. You would obviously challenge it. So this is community land, is Comunidad. Right? So our Gaonkars are very, very clear that this is not going to be tolerated. We have to fight, irrespective whatever law the government passes.
सो जेची आतां अजुनी इल्लिगल आसा स्ट्रक्चर्स ती तुमी कितें करतली?
Madam, the very definition of illegal means it is illegal. Correct? So illegal cannot be regularized just by a bill or an act or a law. Right? There has to be some standard, there have to be some consultations with the Gaonkars. Get hold of all the stakeholders, and then only you can, act upon this.
सो तुमी जी इतली इल्लिगल आहा ती मागीर कितें डेमोलिश करतली?
It's left up to our Gaonkars. I think our Gaonkars are very, very clear. When they say they will not tolerate irregular, it means the next step, whatever is accordance with the law.
सर आमी पळयता की कोमनिदाद जाग्याचेर अचानक खंयचोय इल्लिगल स्ट्रक्चर जर उबो रावता जाल्यार तुमच्या नजरेक कशें कितें येता आनी कितें तुमी स्टँड घेता तेचेर?
आमी फकत उलयना, आमी स्टँड घेतला आनी डेमोलिशूय केला.
गेली कितलींशींच वर्सांची घरां थंयसर आसात आनी ती वर्सानुवर्स थंय व्हडली जनरेशन्स क्रिएट जातात. सो इतलो वेळ कित्याक लागता तेजेर एक्शन घेवपा खातीर?
ज्युडिशरी ते तुम्ही जाणा ज्युडिशरी कशा काम करता इंडियात. एक केस कितल्या वर्सां चलता? सिंपल केस कम्युनिदाचे उलयना हांव, खंयचेय केस घे कितल्या वर्सां चलता. फॉल्ट इज नॉट विथ द कम्युनिदाज ऑर द पंचायत ऑर द तलाट, इज द प्रोसेस, इज द सिस्टम. आनी लास्ट पार्टी पासून सांगला आतां लाला बस्ती कितल्या वर्सां असले तेमी रावपी थिंगा? 30-40 वर्सां जाले तुमकां, पूण डेमोलिश जाले न्ही. अल्टिमेटली द लॉ टूक इट्स ओन.
काही कोमनिदादचे मेंबरूच जे असतात ते काही लोकांक थंय जागो दितात, शब्द वर्बली तेंचे कितें तरी जाता आनी ते आपल्या हेतून रावपाक दितात.
वर्बल कांय जायना, हो डॉक्युमेंट हा, अ डॉक्युमेंट वील ऑलवेज सेव यू. ते दीस गेले, आतां सगल्या कडेन डॉक्युमेंट इज कंपल्सरी. डॉक्युमेंट जाल्यार कांयच करूंक जायना.
So you all stick to your point saying
Madam,
no
we have
legality.
to execute what the general body instructs us. General body has instructed us to challenge this act. We will go against this act and we will do our best to make sure that this act is challenged in a competent court of law.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.